So first, when you want to make a Cricut design, you gotta open the Cricut design app, and you're gonna press New Project. And then, since I'm gonna make one for text, I'm gonna click Text down here, and I'm gonna select my font. And you always want to do the system one because the other ones cost money. So let's say I'm gonna do marker felt. Okay, so then I'm gonna type it in. It's gonna be Jewel, and then I'm gonna do what size I want, and I'm gonna do 2 by 6. And you always want to put it up in the left-hand corner right here. You might want it a little bit bigger. About 2 by 7. Okay. So now that I'm ready to do it, I can go pick out my colors that I want. We have no blue. Oh, this one's perfect. Okay. So now that I picked out the color that I want, I'm gonna get my Cricut placemat and take the cover off. Right in the top corner. Okay. Okay. Now I'm ready to come. And we're gonna go to your settings and make sure the Cricut's on, and you're gonna Bluetooth it. So this is 744A. So I'm gonna find that, and now it's connected. So I'm gonna go back to my design, and I'm gonna insert the placemat like this.
Oh my gosh! Oh, there's a whale.
And then I'm gonna press Make It in the right hand corner here. So now it's ready, so I can press Continue. And this button's gonna flash.
Yeah, you do.
There's an error. This flashes, you're just gonna press it. And then this is gonna flash. Press it. And now it's gonna start cutting.
Let's tighten the space. It's really fun. Tighten the space? Yeah. Sure do the kids. Yeah, this is what you look at. I'm moving my head with it. Oh my god. Ew. What? I want to see it.
Right.
Holy
Okay, now that it's done, I'm going to press that and take it out. Come over here. Now I'm going to peel this off. Okay. Now that we peeled it off, we're going to peel the blue part off, and this part is a little hard.
like when it goes up, you like go up and just, oh, now I'm really scary.
We have extra over here. We're just going to cut that part off. Okay. Now we can peel it. Now she's peeling the blue part off. It's kind of tricky. There, she got it.
Hurry up. Please do not please adding.
Okay. Now she's going to peel off the part she doesn't want. Okay. Now, here. Now we need to get some transfer paper.
No, you just go to different. Okay, you have to follow it with the chair. So like you have to act like you're actually on a roller coaster.
We're gonna use this.
Like you move your head too.
What's going on? I'm waiting till it's all the way up.
Okay.
After this, it can be done.
Do you get transfer paper?
Jesse, you're not even moving.
The elbow. Okay. Once you get transfer paper, you're gonna stick it home like this.
Wait, what are you on? Oh, you drove.
Oh my god. Oh my god. No, it's now I'm going down.
We're gonna get some Cricut tools. And we're gonna use this to smooth it out. Okay, now we're going to start peeling. And if the letter doesn't come with it, then you use this handy little thing.
So you have to go like that.
I was taking my body and my head.
Or you can just use your fingers, doesn't really matter.
I'm in a cave. I can see my legs. This is why I can't reach the pedals.
Where am I? I'm at a movie theater. I don't know.
Are you guys using this iPad?
No.
I'm in a cave.
Ah,
Wait, let me see if there's anything.
there we go. Okay, now that we have Jewel, now we're going to put it on her computer. So, like that, right? Down here? Okay. Just line it up, center it. Now we're going to press down, use this handy thing. Okay, now we're going to peel it off.
I'm going to street you.
Okay, so I realized when my alarm didn't go off yesterday.